In this video, I'll show you what to do if you're trying to do a two-sided print from your computer or mobile device onto your HP SmartTank. This particular model I'm using is the HP SmartTank 580, but if you have a different model or a different SmartTank, then this should work for you as well. So feel free to keep watching, and this should be a viable solution to your issue. So what you'll need for this is to make sure that, of course, your printer is plugged in and switched on, and that you have enough paper in the back for whatever your printing job is. So for this, we'll just need 2 pages, but for you may need more if you're printing multiple pages of document. So make sure that that's installed in the back, that you have the tray up out and ready. Now this is quite important to make sure you catch your document, otherwise it may fall on the floor. And as we're doing a two-sided print, you'll need to put the document back into the printer to do the second side. So we don't want any creases that may cause a paper jam with that. So make sure that's out. Now you also want to make sure that you're connected to your printer on your chosen device. So for this, I'm using a Mac, of course, as you can see, but this is the same app which is used for all other devices. So if you're not sure which one that is, it's the HP Smart app. If you're not sure where you can download this from or how to set up an account, check out our other video where I explain in a bit more step-by-step detail on how to do so. You can do this wirelessly or a wired cable connection, but wireless is always better because then you can be a bit more mobile, of course. Now, once you have the app installed and you're connected, you can actually see on here that the HP SmartTank is ready to go. If there was any errors, that it may come up here to let you know that there is a fault or issue. Now, once you've got this connected, we're going to go onto our document here. Now, I've just got a simple document with test page side A and test page side B that you can see here. This is just for you to know that it's printed both sides. You may have a bit more in detail document, so if that's the case, then not to worry. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to File in the top left hand corner, go down to Print, and this is going to bring up this page here where you can see your document before you print it off. So you can see test page side A here and side B as well, just there. Well, what we're going to focus on is the pages element here, and you're going to go from all and change it to odd pages only, and this is just going to print the page 1 and it won't print page 2. Also, before you do anything else, make sure that the destination is set to HP SmartTank. Mine is the 580 model, but if you're using something different, then this may come up as something different, so just check through the list and make sure that it's the right one. We're going to just make one copy, but you can change that if you need. If you're printing something with color or black and white, you can change that. For the moment, we'll just keep it on black and white because it's just this document here, but make sure that that's correct according to your needs. And then you can also change a few other things such as the paper size, margins, everything like that. I go through this in a bit more detail in other videos, so check that out if you want to learn a bit more about this step in the process. But for now, we're just focusing on the pages. So we've selected odd page only. We can go ahead and print. Now that's going to set up a queue of the print job, and it should connect automatically to your printer, and within a matter of 30 seconds or so, print off your chosen document. And once that's done, we can take it out and I'll show you how to do the side B. So here the printer is now finished printing the side A document, so we can take this out. Now just have a look at it to make sure everything's cool, and it appears to be correct. So it's test page side A, and it's only printed 1, so this is exactly what we've asked the printer to do. Now what you're going to do is to reinsert this paper into the back of the machine. Make sure that it's at the front, so if you do have any other paper in there, that you put it in front, as it will receive this paper first. Also make sure that the side that you're trying to print on is facing you, so we want the blank sides to face us, and we're going to put that in like so. And then at this point we want to go back to our computer. We're just going to close off that, go back to the document, and as before, the same process. We go to File, Print, and then change the pages. At this point we're going to be slightly different. We're going to change it to even pages only, and that is going to print side B. From here you can change as well all the documents as I mentioned before, but we're just going to save it as this for now. And you're going to print, and then that will send the second side to the printer using the same piece of paper as the first document. And here we are, our two-sided document is now printed, so we can go ahead and just review this. Here you can see test page side A. Yes, this one is blank, but I just put it as side A and side B for the purpose of this video. But have a look at that, and you can see side A and then on the back there you can see test page side B. So that is how you make a two-sided document print on your HP SmartTank. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Do leave us any feedback in the comment section below. I really do appreciate it. Anything you can let me know what you prefer in the future videos or things that you liked about this one, and I can always do more of that. So once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. My name is Pat and this is Printers with Pat. Have a good one.